In today's video, I am going to give solutions for the problems related to the matrices and determinant, and this is from exercise 3.4. I have already given solutions until 4th question, and now I am going to give the solution from 5th. So here we have to find out the determinant of BC, B plus C1, and CA, C plus A1, and AB, A plus B1 is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. And this topic is related to the Diploma Mathematics 1. And see here, the 5th question I am giving a solution for the following determinant. So here there are ones in row 1, row 2 and row 3. So I'll use this row 1. Using this row 1, I'll make row 2 0 and row 3 0. See here, R2. I have to make this 0. So for that, R2 will be as it is, and I am subtracting R1 from R2. And the next one, R3. So R3 will be as it is like this, minus I am subtracting this R1. See what happens. Then row 1 will be as it is BC. This is B plus C, this is 1. And now R2 will be as it is, this is CA minus R1. So this will be minus BC, and this is C plus A minus B. This is minus B minus C, and this will be 1 minus 1. And see, for the next one, R3 will be as it is. So this is AB minus BC. So this minus R1, and this is A plus B. And this is minus B minus C. So this is minus B minus C, and this is again 1 minus 1. And if you observe properly, then 1 minus 1, this is 0, and we can cancel this plus C and minus C. And here also this is plus B and minus B. And what remains here? So this will be BC, this is B plus C, this is 1, and from these two I'll take C common. So if I take C common, this will be A minus B. So this is already A minus B, and this is 0. And here I can take B common. If I take B common, this will be A minus C, and this is A minus C, and this one is 0. So from row 2 I am taking A minus B common. From this whole row 2 I am taking A minus B common, and from row 3 A minus C common. And see here, this is A minus B from row 2 and A minus C from row 3. So R1 will be as it is, BC plus B plus C1. So if I take A minus B, C remains. If I take A minus B, 1 remains, and this is 0. And if I take A minus C common, so B remains here. So this is 1 and this is 0. And now I have to find out the determinant. So this will be A minus B into A minus C. So for the determinant BC into, see here. So if you observe, for finding the determinant BC, we have to close this row and column. So this will be 0 minus 0. So this is 0 minus 0. And for the next one, minus B plus C. And now we have to close this row and column. This is 0 minus 0. And the next one, what remains here? This is 1 times of. So if I close this row and column, this will be C minus B. So this is C minus B. See here, this whole thing is 0. So this is A minus B, this is A minus C. So this value is 0. So this value is 0, and this value is 0. And what remains here? So this will be C minus B. So if I keep it in order, so this will be A minus B will be as it is. So if I bring minus common here, so this will be B minus C, and again if I bring minus, this will become plus, and this is C minus A. So the determinant value is A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. And this is what it was asked to show that. And the next question and the next determinant here is, so the det 1, B plus C, B square plus C square, and this is 1 C plus A, C square plus A square, 1 A plus B, A square plus B square is equal to again A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. Now we have to solve this question. So again we have to prove this. For proving this one, see again there are ones in row 1, row 2 and row 3. Again I have to select the first element from row 1, and using this I have to make R2 and R3 0. So row 2. So row 2 I'm keeping it undisturbed and minus R1. So R2 minus R1, so that it will become 0. And here on R3 affected as R3 minus, again I have to subtract R1. So now what happens? See, so this will be as it is 1, this is b plus c, and this is b square plus c square. And here if you observe, this is R2 as it is, R2 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1. This is c plus a. If I subtract R1, this will be minus b minus c. See here, this is c square plus a square minus b square minus c square. And see here, R3 as it is, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1. So this is a plus b minus c, and this is a square plus b square. This is minus b square minus c square. And if you observe, so I can cancel this plus c and minus c, and here it is plus b and minus b. And this is plus c square and minus c square, plus b square and minus b square, and this is 0 and this is also 0. And what remains here? So this is 1, this is b plus c, and this is b square plus c square, and this will be 0. This is a minus b, this is a square minus b square, and this is going to be 0, and this is a minus c, and this is a square minus c square. And see, we can write this as 1, this is b plus c, this is b square plus c square, this is 0, this is a minus b, and a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. And this one, this is 0, this is a minus c, a square minus c square can be written as a plus c into a minus c. So now I have to take a minus c common from row 2, and a minus b common from row 2, and a minus c common from R3. So a minus b I am bringing out, and a minus c also I am bringing out, and here what remains? 1, b plus c, this is b square plus c square, and this will be 0, this is 1, and this is a plus b, and this is 0, this is 1, and this is a plus b. Now I have to find out the determinant. This is a minus b, this is a minus c, this is 1 times of. For finding the determinant, what we have to do? So we have to close this row as well as this column. If I close this row and column, see what happens? This will be a plus c minus a, this is minus b. And the next one is minus b plus c times of. Now if I close this row and column, this will be 0 minus 0. So this is 0 minus 0. And the next one here is plus b square plus c square. Now if I close this row and column, this will be again 0 minus 0. So this is 0 minus 0. So what remains here? So this value is 0. So this value is 0 and this value is 0, and here I can cancel this a. And this will be a minus b. So this is a minus c, and this is c minus b. C minus b. Now a minus b is okay. So b minus c. So I have to take minus common. This will be b minus c. If I take minus common, again minus of minus plus, and this will be c minus a. And this is the determinant value. See here. So this value will be the determinant value, and this is what it was asked in the question to prove that, and this is the determinant value. And coming to the sixth question, so we have to find out the determinant of b square plus c square, a square b square, b square c square plus a square b square, c square and again c square, and a square plus b square value is 4 times of a square b square c square. So for finding that determinant, see what we have to do. So we have to prove that. So this value is 4a square, b square and c square. So for finding this, what we have to do? So if you observe properly, this is b square and this is c square, and again we have b square plus c square. So in this case, please remember that if you add up these two, b square plus c square, and if we subtract from r1, so it will become 0. So r2 affected as, see the first thing, r1 will be as it is minus, so we have to add up r2 plus r3. So this is the first thing which we have to do. So this one, R1 is as it is. So we have to add up these two and subtract. That is b square plus c square. And R1 will be as it is here minus, we have to add these two. That is R2, c square plus a square plus c square. And we have to write a square as it is minus, we have to add R2 plus R3. So this will be b square plus a square plus b square. So a square plus b square, and see what happens here. And the next one will be as it is. This is b square, this is c square plus a square. So this is b square, this is c square, this is c square, and this is a square plus b square. If you observe properly, so this will be b square plus c square, this is minus b square minus c square, this is a square. So if I multiply with minus, this will be minus c square minus a square minus c square. This is a square minus b square minus a square minus b square. So this will be b square, this is c square plus a square, b square, c square, c square, and this is a square, b square plus c square. So now I can easily cancel this one. So here I can cancel plus a square and minus a square. And if you observe this one, so this is plus and this is minus. So now see what remains here. In the first row it is 0, this is minus 2c square, and this is minus 2b square, and here it is b square. So this value is c square plus a square. So this is b square. So this value is c square, a square plus b square. Now we have to find out the determinant, that is 0 into the first determinant, and the second one is minus of minus plus 2 square times of. So if I close this row as well as this column, then what remains here? So this will be, so see here, b square into a square plus b square and minus, so this is minus c square b square. So we have to multiply these two. And for the next one, so this is minus 2b square times of. Now we have to close this row and column. So after closing this row and column, we have to again multiply. So this is b square c square minus c square times of c square plus a square. See here, so this will be, this is 2c square. So if I keep on multiplying, this will be a square b square plus, so this is b power 4, and this again will be c square b square, and this is 2b square times b square c square. So this is c power 4, and this is again minus c square and minus a square. So if I multiply this one, so this will be 2a square b square c square. So if I multiply this one, this will be 2c square b power 4. If I multiply this one, this will be 2c power 4 b square. So again if I multiply, this will be 2b power 4 c square, and this will be 2b power b into c power 4. Again if I multiply, this will be 2a square b square and c square. So this will be a square b square and c square. And if you observe properly, this is plus 2a square b square, and this is plus 2a square b square, and this is a c square b power 4, and this is c square b power 4, and plus and minus. And the next thing here is, so this is minus 2c power 4 b square, and this is plus 2c power 4 b. And now what remains here? So if I add up these two, then this will be 2a square b square c square, and this is again 2a square b square c square. So the answer is 4a square b square c square, and this is what it was asked to show that. So this is also important. And the next question here is the most important question, repeatedly asked question, that is a plus b plus 2c, a, b, c, b plus c plus 2ab, c, a, c plus a plus 2b. Value is 2 times of a plus b plus 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. So this is most important problem. So please watch till the end. See here, so this is what we have to prove, and if you observe properly, so in the question we have a plus b plus c. So if I add up column 1 and column 2 here. So I am applying column 1 and column 2. So column 1 affected as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. If I add up all the 3 here, then column 1 will be, this is A plus B plus 2C, and again column 2 here it is A, and column 3 there is B, and this is A and this is B. So this will be, if I add all these, this is C plus B plus 2A plus B, and this is again B plus C plus 2A, and this is B. So if I add all these columns, that is C plus A plus C plus A plus 2B, C plus A plus C plus A plus 2B, and again column 2 as it is and column 3 as it is. See here, there are 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's. So I am writing this is 2 times of A plus B plus C, and this is A and this is B, and here also 2A, 2B and single C is there. See here, I missed one thing. So B plus C plus 2A. So here it is B plus C plus 2A. So there are 2 C's, 2 B's and 2 A's. So this is 2 times of A plus B plus C, and this is B plus C plus 2A, and this is B. And here if you see, there are 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's. Again 2 times of, this is A plus B plus C, this is A, and this is a C plus A plus 2B. And if I take common, that is 2 times of A plus B plus C, that is 2 times of A plus B plus C. If I take common, this is 1AB and this is 1. So this is B plus C plus 2A, this is B, this is 1, this is A, and this is C plus A plus 2B. Now see, so we have to use this first element from the row 1 and we have to again subtract. So here it is a simple operation, row 2 affected as, this is row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 affected as. So we have to keep as it is and we have to subtract so that it will become 0. Row 3 minus row 1. So this is 2 times of, so this is 2 times of A plus B plus C. Row 1 will be as it is, this is A, 1, A, B, and if I subtract, this is 1 minus 1. So this is B plus C plus 2A and this is minus A. So this is B minus B. So this will be 1 minus 1 and this is A minus A. So A minus A, and this will be C plus A plus 2B and this is minus B. So minus B. So 1 minus 1, this is 0. So this is also 1 minus 1, 0, and A minus A 0, B minus B 0. And what remains here? So this is 2 times of A plus B plus C, and this is 1A B, and this is 0. So if 2A minus A, so this will be A plus B plus C, and this is 0, and this is 0, 0, and this is also A plus B plus C. 2B minus B is B. So from row 2 and row 3, so I can take A plus B plus C as common factor. So here, so this is 2 times of, so I did a mistake here. So from this column 1 I have taken, so this is only square or cube. See, let's see. So this is 2 times of A plus B plus C, and this is 1AB. If I take A plus B plus C common, so this will be into, this is A plus B plus C common from this one, row 2 and row 3. So this will be square 1AB. This is 0, 1, 0. From row 2 I have taken common, and row 3 also this is 0, 0, 1. And now C square into power 1. So this will be 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. And if I take a determinant here, 1 times of 1 minus 0. And this is minus A times of, if I close this row and column, this will be 0 minus 0. And this is plus B times of, this is again 0 minus 0, and what remains here? So single 1 is there, that is 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube into 1, so which is equal to 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. And this is the most important determinant value, and it's so simple here. So by seeing itself we can find out that column operation is very beneficial for this column 1. C1 affected as C1 plus C2 plus C3, and half of the question we have got after taking common. We got 2 times of A plus B plus C, and after directly finding determinant also we'll be getting A plus B plus C whole square. And so there are single ones, so it's very convenient that using this one, so we can make these two 0 so that the determinant value will be very easy for finding the determinant value. So R2 affected as R2 minus R1, and R3 affected as R3 minus R1. So after finding the determinant, the value we got is 2 times of A plus B plus C. So in this question, so till 7th I have completed, and these are the most important determinants. And in my later video, in my next upcoming video, I'll be uploading the solutions from 8th question. So please go through all my videos, and it will be very beneficial for your preparation, and it will be very helpful. And thank you so much. If you really like, please take time to raise your thumb, pass it on to your friends, and please subscribe if you haven't still.